In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly create and integrate a gallery widget into your website using Webflow. This simple process will add a touch of dynamism and visual appeal to your site, making it more engaging for your visitors. Let's begin by choosing a third-party website to help us create our widget. Platforms like Elfsight and Common Ninja are excellent choices for this task. They offer a wide range of customizable widgets, so you can tailor them to fit the look and feel of your website. Once on the site, navigate to their gallery widget options. You'll need to select one that suits your design preferences. This is where your creativity can really shine. Customize the widget with your own images and settings, adjusting the layout or animation styles to create a personalized experience for your audience. After you've customized your widget to perfection, the next step is to generate an embed code. Most of these third-party platforms have a straightforward process for this. You'll typically find a button labeled Add to Website or something similar. Clicking on this will generate a snippet of HTML code, known as an embed code. This code is what allows your widget to appear on your site, so it's crucial to have it ready before moving on to the next steps. Now that you have your embed code, take a moment to copy it to your clipboard. Be sure to copy the entire snippet, as every part of it is necessary for the widget to function correctly on your web page. Moving on to Webflow, you'll need to use the embed element to add your widget. Start by logging into your Webflow account and navigate to your project. To add an embed element, head to the Add New Item menu. Here you'll find the option to select Embed. It's important to note that using this feature requires a premium Webflow account, so make sure you have access to one. With your embed element ready, drag it to the desired area on your web page where you want the gallery widget to appear. Once in place, click into the HTML embed code window. A box will appear where you can paste the code you copied earlier. Ensure you paste it accurately, and then click Save and Close to finalize the process. And there you have it. Your custom gallery widget is now integrated into your website. This hands-on approach not only enhances your site's appearance, but also provides an interactive element for your visitors to enjoy. Remember, the key to a successful integration is attention to detail, so make sure your widget is well designed and fits seamlessly into your existing web page layout. As always, feel free to experiment with different settings and designs to find what best suits your unique style. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.